Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do IE says I, but sometimes says E. I, tie. Daddy wears a tie. I, pie. I, pie. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her Christmas pie. She put in her thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good girl am I." I, lie. I, lie. There are two lies. One lie is you're telling lies. You're telling something that's not true. The other lie is you're lying down. You lie down on the table, on the bed. I, die. Die means you can't move, you can't breathe, you can't see, you can't smell, you die. So this fish is not dying, okay? It's not dead. It's still alive, it's moving. IE says E. Field. 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 The cows are in the field. The cows are in the field. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cows are in the field. SH says sure. Shield. 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 I'm holding a big shield and a sword and I'm fighting. Okay, that's how the soldiers used to fight long ago. Yield. 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 And that's a yield. That means we're going to grow rice, maize, barley, corn, and then all the crops that we grow, those, and if it's really good, it's a good yield. That means we have a lot of it. Yield. Cookie. Cookie. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Was it you? No, you would ask, right? You wouldn't just steal it. You would ask and take it. Cookie. Rookie. Rookie. He's a rookie. He's just starting. He's not a professional player. That means the best player. He's just a rookie. TH says thief. Thief. The policeman is going to go and catch the thief because he stole money, jewelry, and a lot of computers and everything. They're going to catch him and put him in jail. Siege. Now, you have to listen carefully because when G goes with E, G does not make a g sound. G makes a j sound. When G goes with I, G goes with E, and G goes with Y, G makes a j sound. Siege. Siege. Alien. 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 I opened the fridge. And what did I see? Oh my goodness. I saw an alien in the fridge. Is that true? No, I'm just making up a story. Movies. Movies. Are you coming with me? Let's go to the movies. 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 We can eat popcorn and we can have Coke and Sprite and we can enjoy the movie on the big screen. Relief. Relief. What a relief. Thank God you're here. I was wondering why you were so late. I was becoming very worried. What a relief. 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 Diesel. 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 I put diesel in my car. Diesel is a fuel. I can put petrol or I can put diesel. Diesel smell is not good. Petrol is a little better, okay, for the environment. Diesel. QU says qua. Now here's a rule, you know it's true. When you have a word with you, you always follow with a U. Quiet. Quiet. Can you stay quiet? QU says qua. Quiet. quiet. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, shh, shh. IGH says I. Her I, high. Oh, we are flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an aeroplane, looking through the window, up so very high, high up in the sky. Night, 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 night. Good night, sleep tight. Don't let the bugs bite. If they do, you take your shoe and cut their heads into two. That's just a silly rhyme. Light, 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 light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the night, let it shine. IGH says I. Right, 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 right. Wow, yippee, you got it right. Or you put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about. You do the hokey cokey, you turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. And this is my left hand, because see, my left hand will make a L. When I'm looking at it, this is my L. So I know that this is my left hand because I can see a L. This one is not an L, it's an upside down L. Bright, 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 bright. It's a bright light, a bright sunshiny day. So I sigh. I'm sighing. And because I'm fed up. So I sigh. So sight. Sight means I can see. I've got good eyesight. You're within my sight. That means I can see you. So you better do everything right. Tight, 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 tight. I'm going to squeeze you and hold you so tight. Would you like me to do that? Squeeze you and hold you tight. For a eye to fright, for a eye to fright. Oh, I got a fright. Why? Because your Sonny said boom. For a eye to flight, for a eye to flight. Oh no, I better get to the airport on time. I'm stuck in the traffic jam because I might miss my flight. Flight means I go by airplane. I have this flight to take. Midnight. At midnight, Cinderella had to come back home. At 12 o'clock at night is midnight. Midnight. Lightning. Can you see the lightning? Thunder. First you will hear, you'll see the lightning. A flash of lightning, because light travels faster than the sound. And after you see the lightning, then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'll hear the thunder. Boom! Okay? Can you see my boom? Okay, lightning. Lightning. Might. Might means maybe. I might come for your party, maybe. TH says I, thigh. This is my thigh, this part, okay? And you have two thighs. Thigh. So that's the thigh. This part is the thigh. Now we're going to read from the beginning to the end. We're making trains. Are you ready? First sound, last sound. Don't break your train. Tie, tie, pie, pie. tie, lie, lie, die, die, field, field, shield, shield, yield, yield, cookie, cookie, rookie, rookie, thief, thief, siege, siege, alien, alien, movies, movies, relief, relief, diesel, diesel, quiet, quiet, high, high, night, night, light, light, right, right, bright, bright, sigh, sigh, sight, sight, tight, tight, fright, fright, flight, flight, midnight, midnight, lightning, lightning, might, might, thigh, thigh. Thank you for watching. You did a great job. It's not very easy, I know, but great job. Bye.